Hear you, yeah.
Okay, cool. Just wanted to make sure it was working right. Cool. So, we got about 20 minutes left before the close. I haven't really seen anything yet. So, hold on. I just got up. Let me just everything still stands where we were before in terms of, let me get over. There we go. We got Peter up in here. And my bad. Excuse me if y'all asking me any questions in the chat. I didn't look in the chat, just got back. So I didn't see. But SPY still holding under the 9 EMA. Like I said, this is big because this will be the first time and since last Tuesday. Yeah, it was last Tuesday that SPY closed below the 9 EMA. Now keep in mind, last Tuesday was CPI, right? There wasn't a CPI last week. Yeah. And I mean, so CPI was last Wednesday. So last Tuesday, we closed below the 9 EMA. We gapped up. Well, we closed at the 9 EMA. I'll say that. Right now, we're below the 9 EMA. And look, I want to show y'all something. The last time we closed below the 9 EMA, we opened a little higher, but we closed lower and then violently fell off a cliff, right? This is on the daily. So yeah, our puts are in play. I don't see anything that could really change this for tomorrow. Now, I was looking at the economic data, but let me just, matter of fact, let me pull that back up for a second so I could kind of go through that, see everything that's on
the past the slide. Then at the next.
See what's on the docket for tomorrow. Hey, Peter.
What's up, Anthony?
Where is everyone at, man? Get the rest of the team.
All right, hold on. I'll tag him.
Hey, NVIDIA had played out to perfection. She was talking about earlier, going to
yeah. Did you take that trade? Did you play it?
I played it. I got out at 294. I had left.
Okay, so. No, that was solid. I mean, you where did you get in at?
I would have to look.
So you got in after the trick, basically after it broke the trigger for calls.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that was a nice move because NVIDIA, it don't have to move that many dollars to print. It's like Meta. I like that. That's why I like to trade those types of stocks. But yeah, that was a good trade. I'm glad that you took the trade. I'm glad you took that trade. Okay, SPY's starting to give us some action now. Let me turn back over because they're in there discussing the debt ceiling now. Now remember this afternoon, earlier in the afternoon, I'm gonna move this chart over so we only have most of the chart is on the session hour for now, so we can make this larger for everyone to see. So look, session hour chart. Every close today has been under the 9 EMA. Hopefully in the last 15, 20 minutes, well, I'll say the last 10 minutes of market, normally the last 5 minutes when smart money comes into the chat, we could probably take out the low, hopefully, or I'm not going to say hopefully because I hate the hope in the stock market, but so far so good. Everything's playing out. Do y'all have any questions about the plan? And I'm still pulling up the economic data while we're waiting. So y'all cool if not, it's cool. But here to answer questions. Give me 1 second and I'll bring up this data. Sheesh. Okay, cool. There we go. Okay. Yeah, because I just want to make sure, see exactly what else we have on for tomorrow. Because I think that if tomorrow is Wednesday, and I think we have jobless claims. I just want to make sure, or they may be Thursday. Let me just double check though. Okay, so we got the housing starts data that comes out tomorrow. We also have I'm looking for Fed speakers also. I know we have the list in the chat. Put it in the chat. Also Fed speakers. But yeah, so right now we have, yeah, just all retail, I'm sorry, real estate stuff and mortgage related stuff. Now, also remember tomorrow morning, we got Target earnings. Oh shit, totally forgot about that. So I was talking about Walmart as possibly a sympathy, but I'm cool with just being a SPY. I actually don't want to touch any earnings right now. What I would rather do is I'm proud of the growth, man, and of the team. What I would rather do is, because I think if anybody beat, it's going to be Walmart over Target. But even if we can play that tomorrow. You know what I mean? We can play that tomorrow because they're going to print early tomorrow morning. We got a bearish engulfing on the session hour for SPY. Is that a bearish engulfing? Nope, that's not a bearish engulfing. Not a bearish engulfing. Let me just see something. This closed at the 1 second. I just want to see where the price is here. This opened 411.70. This closed 411.70. That's funny. At the same place. So that's like a tweezer top. Well, it's not really a tweezer top because we got wicks up here, but it's funny. They got the open and close price here at the same, both at the 9 EMA. I just thought it was a bearish engulfing. It would have been it's cool. It's cool. But yeah, my plan is, like I said, man, I think the market is what I'm expecting to happen is I'm thinking this is going to flush down tomorrow. So we should be able to go down I'm not sure where it gaps down to, but they got that debt ceiling stuff going on right now, which is bearish. We got more real estate related data, housing starts stuff tomorrow. But I told y'all my next price target, we already went down to 410 today, right? So my next price target was 408, like around this 408, the top of 409, I'll just say it down here, well, at 409 or the bottom of 408. I'm sorry, the top of 408, because there's a gap fill right here, a bullish gap fill. And it's been bouncing off this bullish gap fill area for a little while. So it's a possibility we get another bounce off this gap fill area if we get down there, but I'm expecting for a gap down, man. So but this is where it's been bouncing off of this particular area here. Remember, it's been rejecting the top. I just follow the price action, man. You know what I mean? And this is what it's been doing. And I'm betting on that. Look, here go. Come on, smart money coming in. Let's flush this. Let's flush it. And let's just take a deep dive now for people who watch, and just so you know. So this is the session hour here. This is the hourly. SPY has been bouncing off the 21 EMA on on the daily on this side. So, and 1 second, because we got movement. I want to look at the 5 minute quickly, just for a second. But if you look here, we got a range here. And if I zoom out a little bit, you get to see my broadening formation that's here. Broadening formation is here. Price is inside of that broadening formation. We got MACD, everything is in confluence to the downside. SPY still rejecting here. But like I said, we lose this 21 EMA on the daily, we got some room. It's clear to see that what we were looking at before on the daily, that on the hourly, that gap fill area, you can see it even more. This is a supply zone here too. So it's been a good supply zone. They've been doing a big buying there when it gets down there this month. So, but yeah, let me go back to the 5 minute for a second. Very important in the last 5 minutes to see where price is going to close, because then that's very gives me a good indication on where it's going. Now right here on the 5 minute, we can look at the 5 minute if we were taking a trade now, you know, but we're already in trades that we're likely going to swing unless the market just violently sells off in the next 5 minutes. I'll say the next 8 minutes, because if it sell off before the close, we're going to take all that profit and then probably buy a lower strike. But I like the secure profit. There we go. We're getting that flush. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Sheesh. Spy new lower day. We just took out the lower day. It's flushing. Beautiful, beautiful candle. Beautiful candle. That's a beautiful candle. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Kwame, you're still in spy puts, right? You still in the spy puts? There we go.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. Yeah, I like that with that sound, man.
Man, I'm still on the puts too, man. What's up?
Good. They are 53%. Come on, let's go. I know you up higher than that, Peter, because
Oh, you heard no, man.
53%. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, they flushing out now. That's exactly what I was looking for. Hey, Peters, someone in the chat is trying to get on Zoom with an iPhone. I don't know who it is. Just let them know, like, change their name. I'll let them on. Just find out who it is, and we'll let them in. If you can, my bad. Let's go. Spot puts up, man. Let's go.
Yeah, bro. I averaged down during the meeting.
Good. That was smart. That was smart. That was smart. Smart. So then you could take some profit too. But yeah, like I said, I just got this flushing down. I was telling you a little while ago. But like I was saying earlier this morning, I like to plan for whatever can happen. So we're ready. Now, looking at the session hour, like I was saying, the next price target was that 410.24. We just like we're about to take that out, and then our next price target is that 409 or the top of 408, which is that gap fill area. I like everything about it. Go. Let's go. Yeah, we got it, man. Yeah, this was a solid trading day, man. We had some good trades. Shout out to Kwame for taking that NVIDIA trade. And where we go? Back here. We got about 7 minutes left in regulation. Tesla selling off. You know they got that that event tonight, and Elon is going to be on CNBC tonight also at 6 p.m. So that'll be volatile. That should be a volatile situation for everyone. So yeah, I think that's a good plan. But look, it's so crazy because if you go back and watch the live stream from this morning, we specifically targeted this area here. This is where I told y'all to average down at when it got up here, because it was likely going to reject here again. If you average down here, you probably up substantially on that trade, you know, a nice little move. There we go. Come on, let's go. There's a lot of movement going on these last few minutes. We got about 6 minutes left, or about 5. There we go. Come on, let's go. They're breaking it down. I tell y'all that last 5-10 minutes when smart money comes in and violently flushes things out. Yeah. This is perfect,
let's go.
man. This is perfect. Hey, so I see KK, she's still in puts.
You already know.
Okay, good.
It hasn't taken out the lower yesterday yet. No, not yet. Okay.
Nope, hasn't. That's what we. Yeah, we go. It's about to.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? There we go. That last 5 minutes be violent. I was just while mirroring them that if for any reason they get too active in the last 5 minutes, take profit, grab a lower strike. So it's 2 minutes, 60 seconds is enough time if you got your finger on the trigger. So and type in that go higher than the ask price, and you can get that that feel if you're trying to buy. If you're trying to sell, type in something a little slightly lower than the bid. I'm just saying when you're trying to sell into the close, but we playing SPY, so you can sell those. You got a little more time to sell SPY. So yeah. But yeah, we got 3 minutes left. I like what I'm seeing so far, man. It's another successful trade. And the market did exactly what it was supposed to do. Like I was saying, if you average down here off that reject, off that the retest of the 9 EMA on the session hour. Now hold on, let me flip this over to the daily again, because we were talking about that 21 EMA, and look, it flushed below the 21 EMA. If we close below the 21 EMA, I'm almost certain we gapping down tomorrow. Matter of fact, let me call out another trade for everybody who didn't get SPY puts already. Hold on. Let me call out a trade. Let me see. I'm going to call out the same strike. It's crazy, but I'm going to call out the same strike. I'm trying to figure out something nice to call out for people within. I think the next price target is 408. I'm going to call out that 40.
Look, you I love to see it. Yeah.
Yeah, let me go. I'm going to call out this 408. I'm going to call out the 408 because that's where it's going at next. Just for people who ain't got no puts, and I know they looking crazy, so let me put the team in another play. SPY. What I say, 408?
408.
Puts for Friday's expiry. And how many minutes we got left? Oh yeah, cool. They nice price too. See, when you on Zoom, you get it before I even call it out, you know? Get it before I call it out. There we go. Because like we got a minute left. I just think it's going to flush out here. So wait till that last. Now I'm going to post it now. Now, if for any reason, y'all know me, I don't care. If for any reason it looked like if it closed above that 21 EMA, we're going to cut that trade. And the good thing about SPY, you can cut them in the after hours. So, but I think we good because we getting a close below the 21 EMA. I love this because like I said, this will be the first close below the 21 EMA since this time here. And the last time we did that, it gapped down and then it died. You know what I mean? But it came back down here to this demand zone. And that's where we're headed towards now. We got 52 seconds left in regulation, calling out another SPY put for the team, for the other team, for the rest of the team who aren't in the current play. And yeah, I like this trade. Because again, it's market structure over EMAs, market structure over P&L. I love what I'm seeing. Every chart tells a story. And look at this story, man. It's coming down. We lost the volume POC. We lost that. We lost the point of control. And everything is just flushing. Yeah, proud of everybody who stuck with me and held on to these trades, man. New lower day. Let's go. New lower day.
Let's go.
5 seconds left in regulation. There we go. There we go. We did it. We did it. We did it.
Love that close.
That was a solid close, man. That was a solid, substantial trading day, man. And look at it, like SPY just right now. It's chilling. I'm watching it on another chart where I got after hours on. It's chilling now. We did exactly what we needed. We needed that flush, and we got, look, the bears made a statement. We were looking for the bears to make a statement for a while. And like I said, I'm just going to point out a few things before we get off here is like yesterday before the close, or after I called out that play. It was very important to point out that SPY has been holding this trend since the month started. It hasn't been able to break out of here, and it was a downtrend. So I was confident that it would hold here. I mean, that it would get rejected here. That's why I called out the swings over the weekend. I mean, over the overnight, and we got the gap down. We got the flush today. We retested the 9 EMA. This is where I was saying to buy here, the retest here, and now we got another flush. Now, but if you go over to the daily, it was a lot of volume that came in. You know, not as high as the volume for the last candle. We got a lot of bear volume that came in today, and that's important. We got a lot of bear volume came in, but we closed below the 21 EMA on the daily. This is important to me because, like I said, the last few times that we've closed below the 21 EMA, we did make it down to this demand zone here. So we got some ways down, right? So I'm looking to fill this gap here. We got a smaller gap here. So fill this gap first, if you can see that, and change the color of this one.
Yeah, Peter, I'm up 75%, Peter. Let's go.
So you see, we got this particular, and look, they still moving right now. You see them? Those spot puts are printing right now in the after hour. Yes, they are. So
yes, sir.
Let me go ahead and post the update on that trade for a second. Well, I got to, yeah. So sheesh, man. All right, cool. They are flushing
ready
it
to
out.
lose 410.
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah, it's
lose 410.
Oh, you in that? Okay, you in that trade too?
Yeah,
okay,
come on.
Okay.
Yeah.
We got the whole team in the trade. That's what I'm talking about. Love it.
I caught that joint early, like for 120. I'm up like 90% now.
That's what's up. That's what KK, Peter caught it for that same price.
A little early too, yeah.
KK caught it for that price. Damn, it's still
I got
going,
it a
man.
little cheaper than that, but basically that same price.
Yeah, that's cool shit.
Yeesh. All right, cool. Let me see.
It's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay. So it's we at 4.999.
Man, yeah, it's still going. All right, cool. We still pushing. There we go. There we go. Now 70. Okay, I'll take that. And those other ones, I didn't even start doing those yet. Look, they were what were they at when I called? That was at 125. They have 140 something now. All right, cool. So they both on the move. But yeah, I had to go ahead and update those trades, man. But yeah, we got this has been a great month so far, you know. We halfway through the month yet? Yeah, halfway through the month. And we've been planning for this drop though. You know, we've been planning for this market drop. And there it goes, still coming down. I'm gonna update the other trade too. Why not?
I don't know. I might have to take profit.
Look, this is what I'm saying. Take profit and grab a lower strike if you're going to do that.
Right.
There's nothing wrong. Or you don't have to. You can take profit and just wait till tomorrow. You know what I mean? If you want to do that. I mean, if you up enough, it's up to you. You know, like I said, everybody got their own journey. And everybody got their own journey. And everybody got their own journey. So you can take profit. No. 1 second. I'm just trying to update this other trade. Yeah, that one cool. That one up 16%. The other one up 70%. Now I gotta, sheesh. I love when the market does this, man. I'm gonna have to name them the 408s. Here we go. Yeah, man. But no, I think we did a good job today, man. So I mean, I don't know what's going on. So they talking about the debt ceiling stuff. What I'll do is I'll unpack all of that. What actually happened. I'm gonna actually look at the if they got any recording, but I like to read the transcript so to see exactly what was said and then go from there. But like I said, we closed below the 21 EMA and the 9 EMA. Now, SPY have been holding the 9 EMA for a while this week, right, and last week, right? But we managed to close below both of these key indicators. I think we're going down. So, I mean, like I said, you can take your profit, but I think we're going below. We're going down here. We're going down here. We're going to close this gap. We're going to close this gap here at 406 next, which is this, what is this, 40? This is 4, yeah, 40. I'm just going to say 407 because it's 406.93. We close this bull gap down here at the 406.93 price level, and then we head down to, after we close that gap, the next price target would be, and let me move that. That's a little confusing here. Move that down here. Yeah, we already got, I'll just leave that like that. Cool. So yeah, we got a few levels that we can pretty much take out. So I'll leave that there because that correlates with the same with the top of this gap fill area that I drew on the session hour. Do anybody got any questions, or anybody got any thoughts or anything y'all gotta say? Oh, cool. What you say, bro?
No, I'm saying pretty good.
Cool. Well, man, thanks y'all for hopping on. If any of y'all got out of any trades today, post them in the options wins, show your team pride, and I'll see y'all tomorrow, man, or later on. Peace.
Definitely. All right.
Have a good one, Antoine.
All right, cool.
All right, yeah, peace.